popular Woods of Somerset 4-bedroom home sits on one of the most private lots. Plus a 14 by 16 screened-in back porch. Enjoy no backyard neighbors and plenty of shade. Upgraded luxury vinyl floors and tile backsplash in kitchen west/solid surface countertops, corner sink overlooking backyard and stainless steel appliances. All stay, new carpet on main level. Owner's suite west/custom closet finishes, large tiled walk-in shower and waterfall panel, double comfort height vanity and tile flooring. Ceiling fans and WICs in all BRs. Create your own entertainment space, home office, study space or additional storage area in the 1,182 square feet. Unfinished basement. A finished 3-car garage, all on openers and a keyless entry. Great neighborhood with pool, tennis courts, walking paths and more.